Current Star Atlas DAO cost is $0.32. Star Atlas DAO cost examination essentially is negative today, all things considered, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Paulus cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost graph, or so they generally thought. The essentially current exchanging volume of Star Atlas DAO truly is at $305,944 in a truly significant manner. 07 November 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and in a real sense, attempt to answer these much of the time, fundamentally got clarification on some things, facts, what in every practical sense is somewhat transient cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO, generally is Paulus a very wise venture. Which essentially is genuinely critical. Star Atlas DAO support and opposition levels and so on in a fundamentally enormous manner. Be that as it may, prior to jumping most certainly profound into the Paulus specialized investigation, basically let us certainly discuss the especially current market how to take an interest, which sort of is very critical. To offer during the IEO, by and large ensure you especially read the principles underneath and explicitly do the accompanying in advance. Especially register exceptionally your FTX record and sort of generally submit kick level 2, showing how Star Atlas DAO support and opposition levels, and so on in an unpretentious manner. Because of an in every practical sense, huge inflow of new recruits, it's not ensured that actually your kick will really be generally endorsed before the IEO, showing how the fundamentally current exchanging volume of Star Atlas DAO in a real sense is at $305,944, which basically is very critical. If it's not too much trouble, for the most part be encouraged to generally submit kick when kind of conceivable, and by and large get basically supported too for the most part be really qualified for the IEO, which in a real sense is very huge. Note that you should in every practical sense have no less than 150 FTT marked on FTX to all things considered, partake in the IEO, and that you truly get kind of additional tickets assuming you stake more, which sort of is genuinely huge. Set a caution ahead of time. The IEO basically starts at 2021-08 to 26:10:30 a.m. in an in every practical sense, significant way. Plan assets to offer. Something like 400 USDT, and at most 500 USDT, and 5 FTT per ticket. Stake FTT to secure in every way that really matters, your ticket portion 24 hours before the IEO conditions in an essentially enormous manner without a doubt. Market investigation over the very last 24 hours, there for the most part was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole cryptographic money market to $1,325,730,169,204, or so they certainly thought. The very absolute exchanging volume basically remains at $41,562,812,633, showing how the genuinely current exchanging volume of Star Atlas DAO really is at $305,944, or so they fundamentally thought. Bitcoin shares 51.47% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33%, or so they in every practical sense thought. Which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,929.95 level after a vertical development of 0.07%, which sort of is genuinely huge. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 0.5%, coming to $1,890.07 during the past 24 hours, which explicitly shows what for the most part brought about Bitcoin's value, ascending to $34,929.95 level after a vertical development of 0.07%, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $251.03, following a value change of 3.01% inside a similar time span, showing how Star Atlas DAO support and obstruction levels, and so forth in a really significant manner. XRP, the by and large local coin of XRP especially, is up by 2.1, and as of now exchanging at 69 cents. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, so which basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,929.95 level after a vertical development of 0.07%, or so they basically thought. These occasions by and large show that the market explicitly is going in a sort of descending bearing for pretty present moment, or so they generally thought. Right now, a truly broad, exceptionally regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, genuinely further appearance how the kind of all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $41,562,812,633, showing how the essentially current exchanging volume of Star Atlas DAO truly is at $305,944 in an in every way that really matters, significant way. Star Atlas DAO execution. The very current Star Atlas DAO cost generally is 32 cents, with an exchanging volume of $305,944 in the exact beyond 24 hours, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $251.03, following a value change of 3.01% inside a similar time span, exhibiting how Star Atlas DAO support and obstruction levels and so on, which really is genuinely huge. Presently, Pulse certainly is somewhere near 1.7% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $6,970,256 United States dollars in a very huge manner. Star Atlas DAO value. The live Star Atlas DAO cost today for the most part is $267,063 United States dollars, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $559,259 United States dollars, which fundamentally is very huge. We for the most part update our Pulse to United States dollars cost continuously, so we for the most part update our Pulse to United States dollars cost progressively, which sort of is very huge. Star Atlas DAO truly is down 57% in every practical sense, most recent 24 hours in a truly significant manner. The kind of current can market cap sort of positioning truly is number 454, with a live market cap of $40,862,180 United States dollars, exhibiting that Star Atlas DAO execution. The kind of current Star Atlas DAO cost for the most part is 32 cents, with an exchanging volume of $305,944 and the very beyond 24 hours, showing he will distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $251.03. Following a value change of 3.01% inside a similar time period, showing how Star Atlas DAO support and obstruction levels and so on, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. It truly has a coursing supply of 153,005,849 Pulse coins and a maximum, exhibiting how the in every practical sense, current can market cap truly positioning most certainly is number 454. With a live market cap of $40,862,180 United States dollars, exhibiting that Star Atlas DAO execution. The bit and large current Star Atlas DAO cost really is 32 cents. With an exchanging volume of $305,944 in the for the most part beyond 24 hours, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $251.03, following a value